Very good afternoon to all. My name is Akil Iqbal from BBAQ section. Today I am here to present a PPT on topic service marketing. Before starting my presentation, I would like to thank Dr. Ramla Fatma ma'am for giving me a valuable opportunity. So let's start the presentation. These are the content, definition of service marketing, natures of service marketing, and importance of service marketing. So let's start. Service marketing. Service marketing refers to the process of uh, promoting, selling, and delivering intangible services to the consumers in the way that satisfies their needs and build a long-term relations. In simple terms, service marketing is a process where buying and delivering intangible services, not physical product to the customers. Moving to the next slide. Uh, Natures of service marketing. These are the natures of service marketing. Intangible. Services cannot seen or touch. It can be experienced. Second, inseparability. Production and consumption are always be in same times. And next is perishability. Services cannot be stored for future use. And last one is lack of ownership. Services are only experience. They do not customers are they do not own it. And the next slide is the last stage, importance of service marketing. First is customer satisfaction. So service marketing helps businesses to understand and meet customers needs to good services can improve customer experience and satisfaction. When customers are satisfied, then it's more likely to return. Next step, competitive advantage. High quality services helps businesses to stand out in a competitive advantage. It becomes a key factor of attracting a new customers. Third one is relationship building. Service marketing. Service marketing helps long-term build a long-term relationship with customers. It helps in attracting and trust and loyalty buildings. And last one is growth of service sectors. It supports the expansion of sectors like IT, healthcare, and travel and tourism. And last step is employment generation. Employment generation means services can provide a millions of jobs in different sectors. Thank you from my side.